This is my NX500. Okay, so let me show you something. Okay, let me turn it off. Okay, so this is the Rynox handguards which I have installed. It was a DIY. So basically the cost of this Rynox handguard is around 6,700 approx. And so all the bar end remains the same. You don't have to remove it, or you don't have to do some modification. Everything comes out of the box from the Rynox. All the bolts and everything what you have seen here, it goes like this. Okay, I could not make when I was installing it, because the camera, holding the camera in one hand was not possible, so sorry for that. But yes, as you can see, I will show you all the fittings. Okay, both the sides, yeah, there is slight gap, but it's tightened well. The only thing what also you need to take care of, you can see this bracket, one side, the bracket, the plastic bracket, it cannot be installed because the fitting does not goes very proper, but this should work. I have seen this on the Triumph Tiger 660 also, which my friend has, he has done the same way. So it should not be a problem even in the long run. Okay, so you can see the stock bar end weights, and after that you need to put this, and you need to also, okay, let me show you from a clearer point. Okay, you see this bolt. Okay, the stock bolts were removed, and the one given from the Rynox, you need to use that one. The stock bolts are Phillips head, and this one are hex key type, and which I think is much better. I had a hard time removing the bar end weights, but it was finally removed. Actually it completely rotates if you try to remove the stock like bolt, the Phillips head bolt from the bar end weight. So just be careful while removing. Don't put too much pressure on the screw head, the star head or Phillips head, you can say. So be careful with that, and once that is removed, everything is very easy. It took just half an hour to install both the knuckle guards, and it looks pretty nice, and it cost half that of Barkbuster. So Barkbuster cost around 14,000 rupees, and this one is 6,700. And in Barkbuster, I know you need to just remove this and then install it back using some kind of more like tools, and it's a bit tough, I think. This one is pretty easy, so thumbs up to Rynox for bringing this product, and it goes well with the lines of the bike, so nothing odd. And it's a pretty nice place. I'm in Bangalore. So yeah, this is it. If you have any question, just drop me a message, I will reply you. Yeah, you can, of course you can drop in the comments, not in the message. Sorry, it will go in the YouTube, or if I post this on Instagram, you can just message me, not a problem. Thank you for watching.